Welcome to my kitchen. As you can see by the stain right there, I love to cook. And I love to do a lot of stir fry. But unfortunately, I have this unsightly, greasy, oily mess that's stuck to the wall. Alright guys, I found it home and it binds 6 of these. I didn't actually measure it, but let's go ahead and take a quick look and see how it would fit. I think that's gonna fit. A little bit, I think a little bit too wide, so I might have to figure out a way how to do it. See? Alright, let's go ahead and open one of these packages. See what it looks like. Okay, there's that. If you don't, looking at it from far away, a couple of feet away, it looks like real tile. And I like the color, it matches my cabinets. See? Cherry wood color. That's why I want this. Let's go ahead and peel the back. Oh, so it's all adhesive right here. So peel off from this edge, it says. Okay. So I'm gonna apply it on one end. Okay. Let's see how it looks first before I press it down real good. And there's the finished product from far away. It matches my cabinets and my flooring. Let's get a close-up look. Now you guys probably wondering how long would the adhesive last, especially with some grease behind it. Don't worry, I already have a solution in mind already. If it does fall with time, I can just simply use some push pins to stick it in there, you know. Here we go, got some push pins right here. Simply just press it in place and it will never fall.